What would you recommend as an ECS system, or would you recommend against it? I generally recommend against ECS. I know the Cherno has had a lot of luck with a library called ENTT. I can't really talk about that because I've not used it myself. Entity complication systems, as I like to call them now, they tend to overcomplicate things. Most engines don't really need that. They don't really need all of that extra overhead and structure. Most games that are made, especially made by indies, are fairly simple and don't need those complex hierarchies. In terms of Kohi, what we're actually going to do is we are going to implement one, but it's going to be as a plugin. So it's not going to be included in the core logic. That way, if we have a project that warrants it, we can use it. But if we don't, we're not going to use it. And I think that just makes the most sense. I get that it makes things easier to wrap your head around, but that's not necessarily better from a code perspective. They tend to lead to lots of memory fragmentation and things like that. Everything has its purpose, but I don't necessarily think that ECSs always make sense.